Hi, I'm Erica.
Hi, my name is Jenna.
Hi, I'm Valeska.
I'm currently living in Brooklyn, and I am a mother to two beautiful little boys, Duran and Dakari.
I live in Brooklyn and I am a mother to 7-month-old Marigold.
I live in Brooklyn and I am Ruby Frances's mom. I was actually about 4 weeks pregnant when I did receive my first 2 doses of Pfizer.
I think I ended up waiting until I was about 18 weeks pregnant to receive the vaccination.
I got vaccinated my first vaccination when I was 28 weeks pregnant. I was hesitant about getting vaccinated because I was newly pregnant.
I'm an in-person teacher, so I was given access early January, and I felt a little bit nervous being in my first trimester of my first pregnancy, and without a lot of information about how the vaccine might affect pregnancy and if it would.
At that point, I was just at the beginning of my first trimester. So definitely, spoke a lot to my doctors, to my friends and family before making an informed decision.
A big part of the decision for me was thinking about my health and wellness, and how important that would be as a mother.
Speaking to my community, just kind of as a sounding board, like my friends, my family lives outside the country. So my friends here in New York are really my extended family, and having them as just kind of like a back and forth.
While I was pregnant, the Delta variant popped up and it made me nervous. So when that happened and I finally made it to my 3rd trimester, I was like, well, now that the pregnancy is viable, I gotta get vaccinated.
I feel good that, I've been able to pass these antibodies on to my daughter, and just to have that extra layer of protection. I actually think my first dose hit me a little harder than my second dose. But even that, it wasn't more than 24 hours that I maybe felt a little bit achy.
I feel relieved that if I get COVID, my symptoms won't be deadly. So we got COVID for Christmas, actually, and my symptoms were pretty mild, and the baby didn't have any symptoms at all.
Pretty fortunate to not have a lot of physical side effects from it. I had a sore arm for about a day. Ultimately, just more and more grateful that I was able to protect myself and my baby, and to feel a little bit more confident for us to be able to go into the world. This is something that we can do to keep ourselves well, for our babies, for ourselves, and I'm really grateful that we have access to it.
I feel like if other pregnant people are on the fence about getting vaccinated, they should do it for their safety and for the safety of their families.
And, essentially the choice is up to you. But I think just talking it out and voicing your concerns and just being heard makes a world of difference.